If there's one fruit I like, it's pineapple, and I've always wondered how they got the pineapple to look like that, and now we know. Watch how this guy does the pineapple. I thought he had some kind of machine that does it, but he just uses his knife. I mean, how brilliant's that?
Kuya, pag ganun da, habang niya may baklang. Ganyan lang walang kuya. Kaipuhan lang. Ano da?
I mean, how amazing is that? Now you get 2 pineapples that this guy sits there and peels them for you for 25 pesos for 2 pineapples. How cheap's that? I just think it's amazing. This guy sits in the heat all day and just does that to make a living. It's way cool. Fresh pineapple. Okay, so at another stall that I come to get my rambutan. Right, it's a very sweet fruit, and you just squeeze it, and I'll try and do this with one hand. Hold on. You squeeze it, and that's in the middle. So we've got some sweet fruit. Some very sweet fruit here, look. So I come to this store because it's the cheapest rambutan on the market, because other stalls are 15 pesos and here is just 12. So this is where I get them from. What's this fruit called?
Lanzones. Lanzones.
Lanzones.
Yeah.
This is another very sweet fruit. Again, you squeeze it. Whoop. You squeeze it, and it's the same color inside. It's very sweet and not so cheap as the other, but it's still worth the money. You see, it's good. If you come with a video camera, you get some free fruit. No, I'm only joking. Joking lang. So I'm going to order some of this fruit, so we'll see you soon. Bye for now. Right, if you see these bananas, yeah, these are the normal bananas you'd expect to buy, but here, I hope it's not too dark, they have a smaller banana, and they're still quite sweet, but I still prefer the yellow ones, which I didn't know there's different varieties of bananas, so you learn something every day. They also sell melons here, and the melons are really expensive, so obviously it's not something I can have on my budget. But the bananas are 25 pesos a kilo, which is really cheap. Because in Bulacan, to give you an example, I was paying 100 pesos per kilo. So it just shows you the difference in price. So they've got it all sorted out here anyway, because on the ground floor you've got like technology. On the second floor you've got clothes, which are mainly second-hand clothes, which is popular over here because people's budgets are low. and you can get anything altered, repaired, whatever here. Hello.
Here.
And you know how I like my markets. Still looking around the market, and I'm in a shop now that a week or two ago I bought some aftershave, and I got some discount because I know somebody that could get me discount here. This is the auntie of a friend of mine, and she did me a very nice discount on some aftershave, and I don't think she realizes she's going on YouTube.
Oh.
Now she realizes she's going on YouTube. So this is her little stall, and she's got lots of different items. So if you're in Naga, you need to come to this stall and check out what she's got, because she's got lots of perfumes at the right price and aftershaves at the right price. And I'm happy with what I bought, certainly the price. So come and check her out. Bye. Okay. Now, I know I have this fixation with markets, but this market is quite amazing, because in the 1960s it had the biggest roof structure in Asia, and going round here, it's just like being in the SM Mall. This place is huge, and everything's on its own floor. So you've got all your dried fish, which a lot of my subscribers will know makes me feel quite ill. And on different levels you've got clothes, and then the bottom levels you've got all the technology and stuff like that. But this place is really awesome, and it would take a long time to get around it. Moving on to the meat market, and this young man here is making sausages. So how good's that? Now at this time of day it's quite late on in the afternoon, so a lot of the stalls have packed up and gone. They've sold the meat and they've gone home. What we've got left is the odd few stalls. But like anywhere in the Philippines, it's always best to come and get any fresh meat in the mornings, as you're probably well aware. So this is how they make the sausages in the Philippines. They mince the meat in the same way. Section of the mall, now, the market. Now, obviously I can't show you the whole market, it's just too big. You really have to come here in person to see how big this place is. It's just awesome, it's massive. Now they call this section of the market Ukai.
Yeah.
And basically translated it means to dig. So you have to dig through all these clothes to get the best bargain, which I'll leave that one up to you, because it's not something I'd want to do, but there you go. But I don't think, again, there's anything here you can't use or goes to waste, as you can see on the floor. So I don't know if anybody's seen anything they like, but you need to get down here to Naga and have a look around this market, because as I keep saying, it's really awesome, and you will enjoy just walking around, if nothing else.